Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core game crashing or not opening, not launching, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to verify the integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Here you have to click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen automatizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA name the users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. After that, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I've already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. This will download Visual C++ files. After that, open it. You will get a repair or install option. So click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time. After that setup successful message appears, close this, restart your PC, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. After that, under background process tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select them, and after selecting, right click on it, click on enter task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it now. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable this. Once you disable it, now after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, after that from here you have to select the game, and after that click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if you can play the game. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods you can easily fix Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, fatal error, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.